Let us have a look at today's relevant happenings. New jumping spider species named after 2611 martyr Tukaram Omble. A new discovered spider species has been named Isis tukarami after Assistant Sub-Inspector Tukaram Omble, who laid down his life to help capture terrorist Ajmal Kasab during the 2611 terror attacks. The martyred police officer was posthumously honored by the Indian government with the Ashoka Chakra on January 26, 2009. Central government launches Atmanirbhar Krishi app. The Union government launched Atmanirbhar Krishi app in order to provide farmers with actionable agricultural insights and weather alerts. Data related to the soil health, soil type, weather, moisture, and water table were aggregated and analyzed for generating personalized insights related to the fertilizer requirement, crop selection, and water needs for each farmer at the farm holding level. The data on the app has been made comprehensible for farmers by simplifying the language. It is also available in 12 languages. Considering the connectivity issues in the remote parts of the country, the app has been designed to work on the minimum bandwidth. The latest app does not collect any inputs from the farmers. It relied on the geolocation of the farm to provide the relevant data. The data relevant to another location can be collected by entering the PIN code of the data. Asia's longest high-speed track for automobiles inaugurated. Union Minister of Heavy Industries and Public Enterprises Prakash Javadekar inaugurated NATRAX, the high-speed track for automobiles in Indore. The track is the longest such track in Asia and fifth longest in the world. The highest speed track has been developed in an area of 1,000 acres of land. It is a one-stop solution for all sorts of high-speed performance tests for the widest categories of vehicles ranging from two-wheelers to heavy tractor-trailers. The high-speed track for automobiles will be used for measuring the maximum speed capacity of high-end cars like BMW, Mercedes, Audi, Ferrari, Lamborghini and Tesla, which cannot be measured on any of the Indian test tracks. It is located centrally in Madhya Pradesh. The vehicle can achieve a max speed of 375 km per hour on curves with steering control, and it has less banking on ovals, making it also one of the safest tracks globally. INS Vikrant, India's first aircraft carrier to be commissioned. Union Defence Minister Rajnath Singh said that INS Vikrant, also known as IAC-1, is expected to be commissioned by the Indian Navy by 2022. The Defence Minister reviewed the progress of the construction of India's first indigenous aircraft carrier, INS Vikrant, at the Cochin Shipyard, Kochi, Kerala. India's first indigenous aircraft carrier, INS Vikrant, is expected to be commissioned by 2022 as a tribute to the country's 75 years of independence. The aircraft carrier is 262 meters long and 62 meters wide. It displaces approximately 40,000 metric tons. These modernization measures are aimed at enhancing the Indian Navy's operational research and to protect India's maritime interests. Pakistani city records world's highest temperature. Jacobabad city in Pakistan's Sindh province records the world's highest temperature up to almost 52 degrees Celsius, that is 126 degrees Fahrenheit, in midsummers. The city is located on the Tropic of Cancer, which means that the sun is in close proximity during the summers. As per locals, people do not come out of their houses and streets are mostly deserted when the temperature goes beyond 50 degrees Celsius. According to a resident, it gets so hot that one can't stay on his or her feet outside. Most of the city hospitals are flooded with heat stroke cases, especially of those whose livelihoods force them to venture out in the scorching heat. Youngest ever chess grandmaster in history. Abhimanyu Mishra, a 12 years old Indian origin boy, became the youngest ever grandmaster in chess. Abhimanyu notably had earlier broken the record of India's R. Pragannatha to become the youngest ever international master. Abhimanyu had won the title when he was just 10 years, 9 months and 20 days old in 2019, going past Pragananda, who was 10 years, 10 months and 19 days old when he clinched the international master title. Grandmaster is a title which is awarded to the chess players by the World Chess Organization FIDE. Apart from the world champion, Grandmaster is the highest title a chess player can attain. So these were the relevant happenings of today. Hope you like this initiative. If you find the video as relevant as the happenings, kindly like, share and subscribe to our channel.